Hi, my name is Hitesh. This is Chloe the cat, India's only cat travel influencer. Surprisingly, she has visited more than 8 states with covering 15,000 kilometers. She has endorsed more than 250 brands. This is her journey.
Well, you might have heard of a lot of big Instagram influencers, but have you heard of Chloe the cat? She is India's biggest cat influencer who loves to travel and has covered more than 8 states in India and has endorsed over 250 brands.
So far, Chloe has endorsed more than 250 brands, including 4 to 5 very big travel assignments where she was invited for a photo shoot for the magazine for big 5-star hotel chains as well, which was as good as the 2 lakh rupees of entire paid package for Chloe to stay and for Chloe, and with Chloe I also stay and we enjoy the entire property over there. This actually served the idea of why I started this account, that more and more hotel and resort are now opening up to do shoot with a pet and trying to keep it more open for people to travel with their pet whenever they're traveling for a weekend getaway or anything to do with holidays. And it's very encouraging to see that pets are now allowed.
Chloe is a Persian cat and one has to take care of a lot of precautions and necessary things before traveling with any pet.
I was pretty much not sure at the start that how Chloe is going to adapt to new different climatic conditions because she is a Persian cat. I used to take care of things like when there is too much of heat, I avoid traveling to that destination with Chloe. Take little precaution on the climatic condition of wherever I am traveling Chloe with, because she has fur and it needs to be taken care that she won't be able to sustain too much heat. Rest, she has been very comfortable throughout the country and different parts of the country.
Since Hitesh was doing several road trips, he also has to keep in mind Chloe's comfort as well.
The litter box for sure for a cat, and if she sees a litter box around, she's pretty much comfortable that there is no panic mode in their mind. The same sort of food and the treats they eat every day. If it is visible to their eyes that it's kept nearby, they pretty much feel comfortable that whenever I feel hungry, I don't have to go and hunt because I'm outside. I can easily be fed the same food which I'm used to having it. There's a separate bag for Chloe, which is a transparent bag through which she can see around, and at the same time it is packed. So she do not feel uncomfortable because that's a closed environment for her, as well as a transparent mode that she can keep looking outside.
Hitesh is very fond of Chloe and takes her along wherever he goes.
The list which Chloe has travelled is relatively long, but some of the interesting cities which Chloe has travelled along with me is Dharamshala, McLoganj, Jim Corbett. She is also, this is very interesting, she has done a road trip from Mumbai to Gurgaon, which is almost 1400 kilometers without a problem. She has also travelled to a lot of different hill stations across Himachal, and also Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, interiors of Rajasthan as well for different heritage during the winters, not during the summers, and also Maharashtra, Gujarat, and some parts of Uttar Pradesh as well.
Traveling with a pet is not always fun, but it also comes with a set of good and difficult times as well.
The most difficult part while traveling with Chloe, while traveling with not only with Chloe but with any pet, is always that the nature call, you never know that when it is going to come, and I have to keep my car pretty much open for Chloe and not get disappointed when she's using my car for anything she wants to do. It can be a scratch on the car, or it can be using the car instead of the litter box. So as a pet owner, you have to keep that in mind that okay, fine, this is your own pet and you got to be very used to cleaning all this stuff.
It's rightly said that Chloe is a celebrity cat because she has people clicking pictures of her wherever she goes.
Waiting in queue to click picture with Chloe. The list included receptionist, owner, cousins of the owner, chef, waiters, and they all click picture, put it on Instagram, tag Chloe. This is where we build followers across traveling different parts of the country. That these are real human people who love Chloe whenever she's traveling around in that destination.
Hitesh would also like to share a message to all the pet owners who would like to take a step forward and travel with their pets as well.
When I started traveling with my pet, initially I was also a little worried about the safety and security of my pet, especially the tiny Chloe the cat. But over a period of time, these tiny pet, they are very much used. They get used to traveling along with you.